So now I give the floor to Isabelle, who will explain more about the collaborative Klaxoon platform.
Hello everybody. So I'm going to introduce what is this online OFE 2021 platform. So it has been built for work together on our vision and to put down policy recommendation for the OECD. So now I'm going to show you how you can contribute to this platform. So just a reminder, today and tomorrow the platform will be open for contributions. And Friday, a group of experts will work on your contribution. And the aim is to provide a manifesto on OFE, as well as policy recommendations for the OECD. So here, you receive in the email the link to the platform, but if you do not have the link, here it is. You can also go directly to board by Klaxoon, and if you type the code, then you will enter the platform. If you never have used the platform before, you will be asked to identify yourself, but just put your name or your email and continue, and it will be enough. Nothing else will be asked before entering the platform. Then here it is. Here it's an overview of the platform we are going to work with. So how it works, the gray square is an overview of everything on the board. The right rectangle is what you see on screen. So if you want to move on the board, you need to move this right rectangle on the gray square. So sometimes it's not easy at the beginning, but after a little while, we will be more at ease. So here, you see the right rectangle is at the top of the gray square, and then you can have some additional information on how to use this board. And just below, you have where you can contribute to the manifesto. And below, again, where you can contribute to the vision. The next step is on policy recommendations. And here, it's more idea for the future on OFE, and especially on the 4 themes we will consider during the conference, and put down what was important, but as well what was missing. It's really, it will be really useful. And the last step is a free zone where you can put whatever you want, what is missing, what you would like to share, and any comments that can be useful for the development of OFE. So now, how to contribute? The best way is to go specifically where you want to post something. So you need to move the rectangle on the area. So here, I'm just on the opportunities and success factors for the manifesto. So I want to post something, for instance, on opportunities. So I have to click, just a second, on the gray cross that is in the yellow circle at the bottom of the screen. And here, a new window will open, that is a virtual post-it. You can write your great idea, or you can draw it, or you can add a picture as well. And just before posting it, by clicking on the white arrow that is in the gray rectangle at the top of this window, please let your name so we can know who is the contributor, and we can come back to you if necessary. And there it is. You have posted your idea. So it's not so obvious that the idea is on the board, so you can zoom on it if you want to check if it is really there. Or you can also enlarge the post-it, so it's not a problem. And then you just have to click on it to keep your click on and to move on the right place, the post-it. And here it is. You can see the post-it is on opportunities. So it's not clear like that, but by zooming, it will be okay. So here are the code. And I just would like to say before that every contribution are welcome, that everything can be useful. So please contribute and post everything you have in mind and you want to share with us. And we will work on it on Friday. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Isabelle. Thank you so much. And if you haven't got everything, if you haven't got the explanation, I think that you can find a video from Isabelle on the board, on the Klaxoon board. So the only thing is to be able to get into, and then you will have all the explanation to contribute. Okay, and the manifesto also is on the Klaxoon board, so you can find it and it's just a draft, and so it's not finished, even if it's already very nice. Okay, it's not finished, it's a draft, so all the ideas, even if you don't agree with the ideas which are written in the manifesto, tell it. Okay, that's the time to do it. Okay, so thank you so much. This was all the introduction.